How can you transfer iPhone 4K cinematic footage to your laptop? So let me guide you through it. And if it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, the 4K cinematic has to be captured in that format. Like you have to switch to the cinematic mode, make sure you are at 4K, and then inside of your gallery app, you also need to make sure that all of those settings are set up first before you actually begin the sharing process. Because there is the thing like changing the focus even after you captured that video, right? So you can even in post-production adjust if you're focused on the foreground or background. So you have to have that set up properly before you want to share it. But once you do, you can use the regular sharing methods. Like if you have a Mac computer, you can use AirDrop. If you have any other laptop, I would personally go with the external storage option. Like I have an actual SSD storage external one. It might be a USB, it might be some SD card, whatever you can connect to the iPhone and both the computer. You can use it as the middle part external storage, which you transfer it through. That is probably the best way because you're not losing any quality or any resolution whatsoever. So I usually just connect my external SSD to the iPhone, make sure it is recognized, and then inside of the Photos app, I just click on the actual video, tap share, and save it to the Files app. And within the Files app, I select the external storage location, and that's how I'm able to essentially export the 4K cinematic footage to the external SSD and then paste it from that to the computer of literally any operating system or platform or whatever. So if you ask me, that is how I personally do it. So let me know if you manage to make it work as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and quick guides like this one.